Now we shall learn a new different topic, which is locator. Alright, so locator in Selenium is a mechanism which is used to identify and select elements on a web page. Alright, we have got different types of locator. First one is ID, then we have got name, then we have got class name, then we have got tag name, then we have link text, then we have partial link text, then we have CSS selector, and then we have got XPath. Okay, now let's try to understand this. I am opening a Facebook page, and when I try to inspect element, so in here you can see different HTML elements that shows up here. Okay, and if you want to inspect, let's suppose I have for email address, this part is getting highlighted. Okay, now if I try to inspect for password, this is highlighted. Alright, if you closely observe, you can see that this password has got name as the attribute and ID as the attribute. Okay, so in Selenium, locator is a way of interacting with your web page element. Alright, and as I had shown you, we have got these many different types, and based on the situation we can use either of them. Let's suppose I create a class locator interacting with web page. Alright, and in here I can define my interface I web driver equals to driver. Alright, now let me create a method public void run test on Chrome. Alright, we need to initialize this driver equals to new Chrome driver. Now I have to maximize the browser, so for that it is driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Alright, once this is done, I want to navigate the navigate dot go to URL, then here I can give the URL for Facebook. After navigating, let's try to inspect what we have got for email address. So here we have got name and ID. Okay, so we can use either of them. Let's suppose I want to use ID. All right, so I can use driver dot find element by dot ID, and I can pass the value in here. So my value was email. Okay, email, and I want to send some value, abc@gmail.com. all right, after entering email, I want to enter password. Get password. So this time take name. Okay, name and its value. By dot name, okay, and in here you can pass the value, which is pass. And in here you can pass some random password. Okay, and then once this is done, I want to click on this login button. This time let me try to get this by using XPath. Name we have got, button we have got. All right, so I want to click on this. So driver dot find element by dot XPath. Here you can give / button @ attribute is your name equals to value is login in single quotes, and I want to click on this one. Okay, now let's try to understand what is happening here. So initially we would be invoking our Chrome driver, so browser gets opened, then we will maximize that browser. After that we are going to navigate to that Facebook URL. After that I'm trying to enter value in email and then password, okay, by using Locator ID and name, and then finally we are using XPath to click on this login button. Okay, let's see what is happening here now. I will run the code and see. So yeah, you saw that the browser got invoked, it got maximized, and then we passed value for both name and password fields, and then we click